Hello and great welcome and a lovely evening from here. Hope that each one of you, as always, are absolutely fine, happy, and of course in fine spirits. Main purpose of today's session is actually to reply the queries of various students which of late we are having, correct, in turns. And basic query is related to the fact, sir, we are interested in buying your English version courses, correct? Of course, with respect to CMA, and queries were ranging from final level student to group 1 level student to group 2 level student. So, as I told you, the crux of the query was, sir, we are interested in buying your courses, but we want to buy it directly from you. So how can we? So in order to actually just clarify this particular point, I'm here today. So first of all, very nice of you for showing tremendous amount of interest. Not only tremendous, actually tremendous will be a very small word, to be very honest with you. The amount of messages which we have, it seems that we are virtually overwhelmed by the what we call messages. So it looks so nice and we feel inside of our heart very happy actually and very thankful and grateful to you for showing so much of appreciation towards our courses. Needless to add, as far as English version courses of CMA are concerned, we have exclusive courses and these courses are absolutely unchallenging, most prescribed in the best-selling courses. Correct? Now, coming to the business end, your basic query is, sir, how to buy your courses directly from us. For that, all you have to do is to just click down upon this particular number. In case if your call is not picked up, don't get what we call disgusted, don't get anxious, simply put up a WhatsApp request. In your WhatsApp request, 2-3 points you need to actually take into account. One, write your name properly. Second, write your course which you intend to actually buy, and very important to write the medium. Suppose you are interested in buying English version courses, so write English, because as you know, we are providing English version courses separately and Hindi version, as we call the mixed version courses, separately. It is very important to write the medium and also put up a convenient time when our staff should actually contact you. So this should be the methodology. First, you can make a call. In case a call is not picked, simply all you have to do is to just WhatsApp your request. Besides, other ways to get connected with us is you need to actually subscribe the YouTube channel, Sanjay Welkins channel. Beside, I have got another channel by the name of CMA Virtual Planet. CMA Virtual Planet, correct? So you can subscribe these two channels. And besides, we have a mobile app too. You can connect with us over here and Telegram channel too. Is it clear to you or not? Absolutely. Now, coming over to the courses, you are already aware of these courses. What should I tell you? The basic query has already been answered. As you know, our flagship course is CMA Final English Version course. I already told you this happens to be the largest best-selling course, correct? And if you are a new syllabus student, intend to buy CFR course, then English version course, that the code name is Supreme. That means when you are going to actually put up your WhatsApp request, write English version course Supreme or simply write new syllabus course, correct? Then if you are interested in buying CFR course of 2016 syllabus, then code name is Enlightened. Is it clear? Then if similarly you are a group 2 student interested in buying corporate account course, English version course, then the code name is Wave, of course 2022 syllabus. And if you are a group 2 student want to buy company account course, then code name is Sublime. Is it clear? Likewise, if we come over to group 1 student, then financial accounting course is known as Milestone, correct? And here I have written Milestone, actually it is Majestic. Anyway, these are code names. So English version course 2022 financial accounting is codenamed as Milestone, while English version course for financial accounting for 2016 syllabus has been codenamed as Majestic. Is it clear to you? These are the courses. Besides that, I want to share a little bit of what we call features of these courses. And one of the most important feature of these courses is that we are going to give you a 3-phase coverage. And you must have noticed actually how deeply we cover the course through our YouTube videos. You can actually just get an inkling of that. 3-phase coverage, what does it mean actually? In the phase 1, we are going to give you comprehensive coverage of your entire module. And besides that, the study material or the book which we are gonna actually supply you. Remember one thing is, suppose this corporate financial accounting book I am going to supply. This looks one book, but actually it has got 4 volumes. The first volume will deal with what we call your practical chapters. The second volume will deal with your theoretical chapter. And the third volume will deal with the NDAs. And we have given you largest number of questions, largest number of what we call case studies. And besides that, there is 4th section also which we have added, that is with respect to MCQs. Correct? So these are basically 4 volumes combined into one. Similarly, at inter level also, you are going to get such books, and each book has got different segments or divisions, you may say so. Is it clear to you? Now, as I told you just a moment ago, that we are going to give you the unique feature of this particular course is 3-phase coverage. In the first phase, as I told you, comprehensive coverage of your entire module, each and every question, illustration will be covered. And besides that, the study material or the book which we are going to give you, that too will be covered. Now, it means under phase 1 itself, we are going to cover your course very comprehensively. Besides that, just to enhance your preparation, under the second phase, what we are going to do, actually, we are going to cover what we call past paper questions, RTPs and MTPs. Remember one thing, December 2021, December 2022 and December 2023 papers, no solutions, no full-fledged solutions were given by the institute. And I perhaps happen to be the only faculty actually who dared to actually give the solutions. Correct? In some question I might have faltered, but otherwise we have given a very comprehensive series of the solutions. So point here is that we will see to it that whatever papers are conducted, the entire solution series is provided to you, not just review. And in the third phase, obviously third phase will commence 1 month prior to the examination, and during that particular period we are going to give you fast track revisionary videos. So that in quick time you can recap the entire length and breadth of what we call your course contents. I hope so that with such features, and especially the unique features and such widest and in-depth coverage and deepest coverage, I'm very sure that each one of you will not rue your regret that you have purchased our course. In fact, you will feel very satisfied, and I also hope that you will come out with flying colors. Good. So these are the features which I have written also here, and there is no point in going through that again. So these are some features, and that should be the reason actually why you should go for these particular courses. But once again, that doesn't mean that by telling so much of what we call features and everything, immediately you should bank upon it and buy the course. Always insist upon the demo videos, or if you have seen our videos or heard from what we call your seniors, in that case you can buy it, no problem. But just to make sure, it is always in your interest to actually, first of all, have a look over the demonstration so that you can get an idea that what the decision which you are taking is really worthy or not. Correct? That should be true of not only what we call accounts, but for any subject which you are pursuing or want to buy. So on such note, actually, I'm going to finish up this particular session. I'm sure actually you must have got your answer. I've already written the numbers and the various modes through which you can get connect with us. So if you are interested in buying the course from us, then this is the way around. Correct? But remember one thing, we deal only in accounts, correct? Not in any other subject. For example, we received actually many other queries that do you teach any other subject or something like that? No, actually, I teach only corporate accounts. For CMA level, I'm talking about, I teach only corporate financial reporting, financial accounting, and what we call your corporate or company accounts, whatever you call it. So this is the point here. And we have got extreme amount of exclusivity. Even though we are having courses for CA, but we never intermingle them. That is the reason actually we have got such good demand on account of your such wonderful, wonderful appreciation. So on such note, we finish this particular session.